Jeep has introduced the 2022 Cherokee, and there are significant changes as the lineup has been reduced to just 4 trims. It's also the end of the affordable Cherokee era, as the model's base price has climbed from $28,135 to $33,995. Kicking things off is the new Cherokee X, which is far more rugged than previous entry-level variants. It features Trailhawk-esque fender flares, a 1-inch, 25mm suspension lift, and 17-inch aluminum wheels with a black finish. The model also comes with a graphics package that includes a hood decal. Moving into the cabin, there's cloth and vinyl seats with 8-way power adjustment for the driver. Other highlights include air conditioning, a heated leather steering wheel, and an 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system. Drivers will also find a 6-speaker audio system and a 3.5-inch display in the instrument cluster. On the safety front, there's blind spot monitoring, full-speed forward collision warning with active braking, and rear cross-path detection. The model also sports a rear-view camera, park assist, and lane sense lane departure warning with lane keep assist. Power is provided by a 3.2-liter V6 engine that develops 271 horsepower and 239 pound-feet, 324 newton-meters, of torque. It's paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission and a standard 4-wheel drive system. Customers looking for something less extreme can opt for the Cherokee Latitude Luxe, which also begins at $33,995. That's a $2,185 increase, but the model now comes with additional equipment including a power liftgate, a dual-zone automatic climate control system, and a 7-inch display in the instrument cluster. Other additions include an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a universal garage door opener, a 115-volt power outlet, and an 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system. The Latitude Luxe is the only Cherokee to come standard with front-wheel drive, and it's one of 2 trims available with a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. The latter option develops 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet, 400 newton-meters, of torque. Rounding out the 2022 lineup is the $37,045 Trailhawk and $38,745 Limited. Jeep didn't mention changes, but prices have climbed $260 for the Trailhawk and $2,660 for the Limited. However, the Limited now comes standard with 4-wheel drive, and that helps to partially explain the increase. Prices exclude a $1,595 destination